Sa mundo ng esports, malalaking pangalan sa global esports scene ang ngayon pinasok na rin ang mundo ng MLBB sa Pilipinas. Ipinakilala na kasi ng MPL Philippines ang dalawang bagong organisasyong kumuha ng slots para sa paparating na Season 15 ng Liga. Ang mga detalye alamin sa report na ito. Ilang malalaking pangalan sa global esports ang tuluyan ng pinasok ang mundo ng Mobile Legends Bang Bang sa Pilipinas. Opisyal na kasing inununsyo ng MPL Philippines ang pagpasok ng global esports giants na Twisted Minds at Team Falcons para sa paparating na Season 15 ng Liga. Ang pagsabak ng Saudi Arabia-based organizations sa local scene ay kasunod ng pag-alis ng champion team na Blacklist International at RSG Philippines sa MPLPH.
Number one competitive team, like we are performance-led and performance-focused. So for us coming to the Philippines, it's about having our Filipino team on top of the world, right? And it's winning the World Championships, winning all the tournaments, whether it's the EWC or mid-season or whatever it is. So you will see our identity as Falcons be built through winning, and that's what we stand by, and that's what we want to do. And we want to give Filipino fans not just the chance to cheer in the local leagues, but to take them to the global scale and remind everyone why we're investing in the Philippines is because they have the best players and they're on top.
We wanted to expand overseas, especially in Asia, exactly in Philippines. So we want to compete on the highest levels in Mobile Legends. And Philippines is the place that we want to be in.
Hindi na bago ang Twisted Minds and Team Falcons sa esports scene dahil pareho itong may nabuo ng pangalan sa Middle East at North Africa region. Kamakailan nga, nakuha ng Twisted Minds ang kampyonato sa MPL MENA Season 6 at sumabak sa M6 World Championship sa Malaysia. Habang maliban sa pagsabak ng Team Falcons sa wildcard stage ng M5 World Championship, kilala rin ito sa ibang esports tournament sa labas ng MLBB, gaya ng Dota 2 at Counter-Strike. Sa ngayon, hindi pa inilalabas ng parehong team ang kanilang posibleng roster sa MPL Philippines Season 15 na gaganapin sa Marso.